Hi, my name is Sepide and I'm going to talk about the bone development. So there are two methods of bone development, intramembranous and endochondral ossification. The bone produced by these developmental methods is the same, but only the process of formation is different. The first picture is the intramembranous ossification. In this method, osteoid forms between two dense connective tissue sheets, which then replace the outer connective tissue. So during intramembranous ossification, mesenchymal cells differentiate into osteoblasts to form osteoid, which later on mature into the bone. The maxilla and the majority of the mandible are formed by intramembranous ossification. The second picture shows the endochondral ossification, which is the formation of osteoid within a hyaline cartilage model that later on becomes mineralized and dies. Osteoblasts penetrate the cartilage and form primary ossification centers that continue forming osteoid toward the end of the bone during prenatal development. The bone matrix eventually replaced the earlier cartilage model. Later, after birth, secondary ossification centers form, which allows further growth of bones. Secondary ossification centers form in the epiphyses as blood vessels and osteoblasts enter these areas and convert hyaline cartilage into a spongy bone. Until adolescence, hyaline cartilage persists at the growth plate, which is responsible for the lengthwise growth of long bones. So most long bones of the body are formed this way because it allows bone to grow in the length from deep within tissues. An example is the head of the mandible condyle, which is formed by endochondral ossification that has multidirectional growth.